And now let's see how Marts and Paula will demonstrate us waltz choreography with teaching count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now let's see waltz choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and we start with natural spin turn, which we will end with natural pivot, so that we can continue with double natural spin. Now man goes outside into closed wing. We continue with outside step on lady's left side into double reverse spin and open telemark, which we finish in promenade position. From here we dance chasse from promenade position, but without syncopation, so we stay on toes, and we finish figure with hover ending to promenade position. From here we dance hover corte, and then outside change. Very good. Let's see once again. This time we will focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold and we start diagonally to wall with natural spin turn with pivot ending. Second bar we move down line of dance. We continue with double natural spin, down line of dance. Now we move diagonally to center with closed wing, double reverse spin in same direction. Open telemark, we start diagonally to center and we finish diagonally to wall. In same direction we move chasse from promenade position and we finish it in promenade position, ready to move diagonally to wall with hover corte, and then we dance outside change, moving diagonally to center, and we finish it diagonally to wall in new line of dance. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Paula. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.